In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. You need to start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling to hit Security and Privacy. Now, in order to set up Face Unlock on any Samsung, firstly you need to hit Lock Screen, then enter your screen lock and hit Face Recognition located under Biometrics. Now hit Continue, tap on Register and then keep your face in frame following all of the instructions from your screen. When you finished, you can manage all of those options however you want to, and then go back. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!